Now children, we have next question. Write 4 3-digit numbers using digits 2, 3, 9. Now arrange these numbers in ascending and descending orders. Now see children, we have these three numbers 2, 3 and 9. Okay. From this we have to make 4 3-digit numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have to arrange those in ascending order and descending order. And we have already learned in lesson 2 how to make the numbers from the given digits. 2, 3, 9. So first number I will write 2, 3, 9. That is 239. 2 in hundreds, 3 in tens and 9 in units. In these digits you have comma in between children, but when you are writing the number you should not put the comma, because if you put comma it becomes 2, 3 and 9, that is one digit number, and we want 3-digit number, so no commas in between. Next 239. Now I'll write 3 in hundreds, 9 in tens and 2 in units. So my next number is 392. Okay. After writing each number you can put comma. Next 9 I will take in hundreds, 3 and 2. 3 in tens and 2 in units. So my third number is 932. Now one more number I want. So from these numbers I have to repeat one number in hundreds, please. So I'll write again 3 and then 9, 2. See, here I have written 9 and 2, that is 392. So now I will write 2 first and then I'll put 9, that is 329. Okay children, in the question write 4 3-digit numbers. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have our 4 3-digit numbers with us. Now arrange these numbers in ascending and descending order. Ascending order, that is smallest number. If you will see these numbers, all are 3-digit number. Yes children. So see the first number in hundreds, please. 2, 3, 9, 3. Smallest 2. So our first number in ascending order is 239. Okay children. Next 393. Smallest 3. Now in this number also we have 3 in hundreds place, and in this number also we have 3 in hundreds place. So see the next number in tens. 9, and in this number tens place 2. So which is smallest children? 2. That is 329. Okay. Then we will write 392 and then biggest 932. Okay children, this is our ascending order. Now descending order, that is biggest to smallest. So biggest number we have 932, then 392, then 329, and then smallest 239. Okay. So here we have finished with ascending and descending order. And now we will start with the next unit, very small unit children, biggest and smallest numbers from given digits. Now see children, digits are given to us. Digits means numbers. And from this given numbers, we have to make the smallest number and biggest number. To make the number smallest number from the given digits, write the numbers in ascending order. That is, from smallest you will start and then from smallest to biggest, that is in ascending order. And if you want to make biggest number, write these numbers in descending order, that is from biggest to smallest. Question 1. Make the biggest and the smallest 3-digit numbers using the given digits. First one, 946. Smallest children, from this 3, 4 is smallest. Then we have 6 and then 9. In hundreds 4, in tens 6, and in units 9. So the number is 469. Biggest 9, then 6, and then 4. That is 964. Then, say children, one more thing I want to tell you. When you are making these numbers, smallest and biggest 3-digit number, you will not put commas in between. If you put comma, it becomes one digit number. And in question, it is given 3-digit number. So, no commas in between. Next, 704, smallest. Smallest is 0. Then we have 4 and then 7. Now children, if you will read this number 47, which is a 2-digit number, and we want 3-digit number. So this is wrong. An example, if you have 0, then you will not write 0 in hundreds place. Which remaining two numbers 7 and 4. So smallest is 4. After 4, put 0 and then 7. Now if you read this number 407, it is smallest. Okay, this is our smallest number from this given digits. I repeat children, if in the digits you have 0, you will not write 0 first. But to make the smallest number, you will put that 0 in tens. Biggest number 7, 4, and then 0. Biggest as you are making same way. Biggest number 7, then 4, and then 0. 740 is our biggest number. 395, smallest. 3, then 5 and 9. 359, biggest. 9, 5, and then 3. 953. 502, smallest children. I told you if 0 is there, then in hundreds place you will not put that 0. So which is the other number or the smallest number? 5 and 2. 2. And then put 0 and then 5. 205. It is our smallest number from this given digits. Now biggest 5. Then put 2 and then 0. 520. Okay, so in this way we can make smallest and biggest number from the given digits. And remember, you should not put commas in between. Question 2, fill in the blanks. To make the biggest number, we write the digits in the dash order. Now children, when we were making biggest number, we write these digits in which order? From biggest to smallest, that is descending order. So when you make the number in biggest number, we write the number in digits in descending order. To make the smallest number, we write the digits in the dash order. Now if you want to make the smallest number children, you will write the digits in ascending order. Okay. C1, to make the biggest number using digits 3 to 7. We write dash in hundreds place, dash in tens place, and dash in units place. 3 to 7. We want biggest number children. So 7 is biggest. After 7, 3. And then 2. So the number from this digit 732. Biggest number we have made. Now dash in hundreds place. In hundreds we have 7. Okay children. Dash in tens please. In tens we have 3. And dash in units please. In units we have 2. Okay. From this digits the biggest number is 732. 7 in hundreds place. 3 in tens place and 2 in units place. Okay. So here we have completed with the 2 units, that is ascending and descending order and biggest and smallest numbers from given digits. Okay students, so at home you can practice these 2 units. Thank you. Have a nice day.